Hi everyone, it's Alicia again, and I am joined by Jacob over at Studio Suite. Jacob, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, of course. So in today's video, we're talking to you if you're a beginner. Maybe you're someone who just got the free demo of Studio Suite and you're really not sure where to start. Jacob's going to be walking us through the beginner walkthrough. So Jacob, I'm just going to turn that over to you to give us the demo.
Sounds good. All right, this is the beginner walkthrough for Studio Suite 12. So when you first open up Studio Suite for the first time, it's going to bring you right here. And this is the beginner walkthrough that kind of teaches you a little bit of the basics for Studio Suite. The first place you go is over here to modules, and it's asking you to select what modules you want to be able to see on your home page. Not every user needs to see all these different modules. And so, just based on what you do for your studio, would change which of these modules you want to see. I'm going to leave it how it is because these are the ones that I need to see. Over here in tutorials, if you click any of these buttons, it will show you some of the basic processes in Studio Suite. For example, on the navigation and record functions, if you come over here, then we have this YouTube video all about how to do the navigation and records. Once you finish that, go ahead and hit back to all the tutorials. It highlights blue to show you that you've already seen that one. And then we have a couple of the other videos that are able to kind of help you get going for the first time in Studio Suite. Once you finish that, if you feel like you're done with the tutorial and you don't need it anymore, go ahead and hit Don't Show Me This Tutorial again. But if you want to see it again, go ahead and hit Skip to Studio Suite's home page, and it will bring you to the home. If you do want to see it again and you press the skip button, come over here to the gear and then go to beginner walkthrough. And that is our beginner walkthrough.
All right, well, it looks like it's pretty easy to navigate. I love that it has those videos embedded in there because I think it's, for most people, I know for me, it's easier to just see it done for you and then be able to go in there and try it yourself. So again, thanks for that beginner walkthrough of the beginner walkthrough. And if you're interested in finding out more about Studio Suite, you can get in contact with Jacob and his team by giving them a call. You can explore a little bit more online at studiosuite.com, which is also where you will sign up for that free demo, and then you'll get started with the beginner walkthrough. Thank you, Jacob.
Thank you.